afternoon. We are on the first day of VIV Select India 2026, and currently we are at Famsun stall. We are with having us Mr. Shelby Luo, Vice National Representative of India, Southeast Asia region for Famsun. So, how Shelby? How are you?
I'm fine, fine.
So, how are you getting traction on the first day of the VIV Select India 2026?
Be honest, while company, we have attended a lot of hearings in the Bangkok, also in Europe. This is the first time we are being selected in India. I feel it's not very big, but it's very impressive because first time company is actually when I have such good exhibitioner, it's very impressive. And, I think next time we also will.
So, Samsung is promoting the modern agriculture circular economy with its product portfolio. It is having a lot of initiatives in different sectors from food processing industry to the feed industry. So, what type of services you are providing to the food processing industry currently?
Okay. Our company, we are turnkey solution provider from the real and going to the silo. Silo means big can to can storage corn and soybean and rice. This kind of storage one. And then going to the feed machine. Feed machine means we give the feed to the poultry, give to the cattle, and give to the aqua like fish and the shrimp. Then after that, we also have AC house to give the cage and give the good house to the poultry, small chicken, riders, and layers. This is our main business. And apart from this, we also doing the equipment for the astronaut, and also we are doing the oil, like palm oil, soybean oil. This is a main project we are doing this in the India.
So, currently we are focusing more on the food processing industry here. So, what types of solutions are you providing to the warehousing sector? I have seen you are showcasing silos and all. So, what types of solution are you providing for the storage sector of the food processing industry?
I just answered this. This is two questions. I just answered this one by one. First, from the AC house. Because now everyone knows the land and for the especially for the boiler, grinders, and layer, the land price is increased, and now the requirements means the knowledge people is increased. Previously, China, we seem like India now. We have big land and their chicken just eating freely, but it's a very low efficiency. So we give the easy house. Means in one buildings we can take one lakh, even 2 lakhs of birds in 3 or 4 buildings. It can save the space and give the food, feed, and let them grow up very healthily. This is easy house part. And the cell part mainly is for the humans. And because now you're in the FCI, so the Prime Minister Modi's their policy, they want storage food. And then in the future, Indian people no need give get too much import food. We can Indian people can just using their own silo and can feed all their peoples in the silo. So this is we are providing the solutions. Big silo. Thank you.
So, raw material is one of the main sections for the food processing industry. When you see the raw materials, the feeds, although it is feed or the food, the raw material plays a vital role in this one. So, Samsung is also providing greenhouse and irrigation engineering solutions to the farm sector. So, what types of solution you provide to the greenhouse management and irrigation system?
To be honest, this part so we are now to extend very much in India now because Indian that's now is not very popular. So our main business is still I can say 5 part. One is silo. Second is green business like from the green we from the assets. Third is the feed mill. Four is the easy house. Five is the oil program. This is 5 part is the main we want to extend. In greenhouse is not we are not start this business in India, but in the China have start.
So you are also good into grain machinery engineering and grain deep processing manufacturing.
Yes.
So have you extended this part of the product to Indian market?
Yes. Just to talk about external, because we all know that Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi, right? And he has started E25 means in the petrol. In the petrol, he add at least 25% of the ethanol to reduce the pollution, and no need using too much petrol because petrol is from Middle East. You see how what happened here. So now this big market. We are supplied from the grain to liquefaction, to the fermentation, to the distillery, EDGS drying, and also to the final liquid. This is all the solution we can give. This is the main part we are doing this.
So coming on to the India's market, India's food processing industry is massive. It is growing with a massive India right now. A lot of opportunities to in India also because India's huge population around 1.2 billion people.
Yeah.
And you are just providing a lot of solutions which food processing industry is booming now in India. So how do you see the Indian market right now?
Just 1 week ago, one of our customers saying one thing. In the world, if BGP still be the Indian leader, nothing can stop the Indian grow up. So I have the same idea. Indian policy is sustainable and have a very big market in the world. I think now the population is even higher than more than the Chinese. Chinese is the top one. This is big market, good pollution. Maybe now the technical and strong is not grow up, but from my opinion, I think the India can it's 10 at least 10 times right now. This is my idea, and also it's our Chinese ideas.
So coming on to the sustainability part which we have, you know what, cutting the carbon footprint and reducing the electricity cost in the industry is the main criteria, the main focus of many companies, the message providers. So how does Samsung reduce the carbon footprint, the greenhouse emissions, and the electricity consumption in its facility?
To be honest, we can say just for example, like Chinese 2 years ago, the pollution and all the carbohydrates is very high. Now, so from our idea, we think the best solution is give the total turnkey and the recycling as well. Means from the green to the end product. This is one big cycle. The energy will not waste. The pollution it can be recovered and used expensively. Just for example, for the astronaut, now India's technical steam a lot of has been wasted in the air. But in the China, we are recycling. Then you don't need the such steam. This can reduce at least 50%. So from my personal idea, I think the best solution is we give the turnkey and recycling project instead of suffering here one plant, another is plant. This is very low efficiency and it will cost a lot of.
So thank you, Shelby. Thank you for this candid interview. Thank you.
Thank you.